In this informative YouTube video, I will show you how to adjust the network priority of connections on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. You will learn the step-by-step process to prioritize your network connections, ensuring that your most important tasks get the bandwidth they need. Whether you are working, streaming or gaming, understanding how to manage network priorities can significantly improve your online experience. Join me as I demystify this essential Windows feature, helping you optimize your network connections for smoother and more efficient multitasking. Watch the video now and take control of your network priorities. To change the network priority of connections on Windows 11 and Windows 10, Step 1. Open the Control panel. Step 2. Go to Network and Sharing Center. Step 3. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Step 4. Press the Alt key on your keyboard to reveal the top menu and click on Advanced, then Advanced Settings. Step 5. In the Connections box, reorder the network connections by moving the desired connection to the top, higher priority, or bottom, lower priority. Step 6. Click OK to save the changes. Windows will now prioritize network connections in the order you specified.